is how to download YouTube video with iPhone X. Here is how you can download YouTube video on your iPhone 10 iOS device. By downloading this YouTube iPhone 10 downloader app, as you can see I've already downloaded it, is in my iPhone 10 device. Open Safari. Go to freeitems.store and select iPhone 10 downloader. Now click on download and do some verification, after which you can proceed to download the iPhone 10 downloader. I have already downloaded it. If the verification bothers you, there is a way to pass it. Just reload the page 3 times, though it might not work. Now pay close attention on how you can install this app as you're not downloading from the official Apple Store. To install this on your iPhone 10, do the following. Go to Setting, Control Center. Turn off Access within apps. This is important. You can now proceed to install the downloader app.